Hello everyone, today I was assigned a project to create a title cover for a product. The tagline has been provided, and there is also a description of the product. So, I plan to design 2 title covers and upload videos for both. Before moving on to the video, let me tell you that this is a project that I have to work on and share with a client, not a tutorial. You may understand some and some not. Because sometimes I'll tell you what I'm doing, and sometimes I'll fast forward. So, dear friends, please don't feel bad. If you do, I sincerely ask for your forgiveness. If you find it interesting, I would appreciate a thumbs up. I've already taken some pictures of the initial title concepts I'll be working on. Now, I'll proceed to edit them and create visually appealing titles. Let's begin. First, I'll remove the background. Background successfully removed. Now I have to get a separate size for my title cover. But before that, I'll increase its resolution to ensure it fits my title. Next, I'll set the size to 8.5 by 11 inches. Confirming the size with an OK. Good. This is complete. Now, this is the picture that will be incorporated into our title. Let's proceed to include it. Now I give it any color to the background and convert it into a smart object. Now let's do some color correction in it. Color correction is complete. Now, let's dive into the main task. Moving forward, I will have to bring my second picture here. This is the second image for use. Before that, I'll adjust the bottom part to make it slightly larger. Increasing done. Now, let's incorporate it into our title. This picture fits well. Moving on to my third picture. Here's my third picture. I'll remove the background before placing it. Great, background removed. Let's integrate it into our title. I'll use select and mask to match it with the background. After this, I need to perform color matching on the title, so I'll create a copy. Looks good. Our title is ready. All that's left is to add the tagline. And there you have it, my first title is ready. Now, I'll begin working on the other titles. If you enjoyed this video, then must like this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Take care.